Welcome to our Oxfordshire barn project. I'm Harry Grimshaw from Cherwell Windows, and we're going to be walking you through one of our minimal glazing projects. On this we have sliding doors and windows and a structural glass link, all provided and installed by Cherwell. To the right of me you'll see a double stacked glazed entrance, so you've got a triple track sliding door system which moves both ways. This is the kitchen part of the building, which will allow us to be able to have a complete indoor and outdoor feel. Above, we're going to have a gable frame that's going to be structurally bonded with very minimal sight lines of 30mm in the gable, going down as low as 18mm in our sliding door system. Here we're in the bed part of barn number 1. So this is a wood-clad barn which is going to be housing mainly the bedrooms. In the bedrooms we've used the features of the product such as fly screens, so we can have doors opened at night, tilt and turn windows so you're secure when you're sleeping, and a mixture of roof glazing as well. So a brief for this project was a low energy basis, so we've got triple glazed units here achieving a 1 U value. That's the frame and glass both hitting lower than 1 U value together. The whole project celebrates the glazing. The large openings here, you've got buried frames on the outside that you'll see where the stonework hides it, and on the inside the plasterboard is going to finish here. It will be a completely glazed aperture that slides with absolute ease. So from the outside of the building you can see the buried frame detail here, 18mm sight line, 18mm sight line with projecting profile. As I open the door, you'll see our expert installers have finished the frame dead straight with the perfectly cut stone, using this lovely contraband detail that will be protecting us from the weather. So here we're going to show you the Skylifter in action. So you'll see we've got a telehandler set up using a specialist piece of equipment called the Skylifter, and you'll see one of those 4-metre apertures now having the glass very carefully lifted into position. You have millimetres of tolerance to get that glass straight and drop it on the track to allow for smooth operation. So you notice the 4 guys here are now using a handheld remote to be able to control the angle of the glass and drop it in. It's done so meticulously with a lot of time involved, but as you can see the end result looks incredible.